Hello and welcome to today's video I've got here for you. Not the motorhome I started off with. I want to show you this one right here. I just like the symbol of Malibu at the top to get you going. This thing's going to cost in excess of 90,000 euros. It is the T460LE. LE means there's a German layout in the back. 720 centimeters long, 227 wide, and 294 in height. And okay, ready to go, up to 3,140. Best count the last figure. That gives 360 kilos of payload on 3.5 tons, but you can put 4,250. And there was something else I wanted to say, can't remember what it was. 19,280, but I said that. Right, what is good about this motorhome? Variety of features. It's got a double floor, it's got the Carthago layout look to it, it's got a design. Personally, I find this very attractive. Carthago is my favorite brand at present. I might go off it, but at present it's my favorite brand. So the Malibu, it's not quite Carthago. The colours are slightly different. Not slightly, quite a lot different, I suppose, really. And it does have one or two features I don't like. I don't like space being wasted. I don't like the corner bits like that. I don't like these things here because, you know, but the pointless things just fall off. And but I do like the shape of these storage areas. Notice it's been contoured to slope inwards. Therefore, when you open this up, everything doesn't fall out. If you're worried about things falling out, you can get a net from a system called Kipor. And if I haven't to remember to put a link into this, do remind me, because I probably will forget. Now, at the back, you can see there is electrical points under the storage up there. And German layout here. It's a German layout, which trying to show it to you in more detail here. There's an extra one of these mattresses which will go here and make a big bed. Now, one thing I do want to show you under here, if I can. It's been well done. Okay, I'll lift the whole thing up. This whole thing comes up like that and gives you this enormous deep wardrobe, under which, and you can see in the double floor, is the water tank. And I think the water tank, having access to it from inside, is a good thing. This comes up much easier than it does in most motorhomes. What's it like on the other side? On the other side, obviously you've got a slatted bed, but here you're going to have to open it like this. Right, now let's see the German layout come out. That opens up like that, and cushion will go in here. You've got steps up to the bed rather than a ladder. Much better, in my opinion. Washroom, large, functional, huge. Mirror. Got myself shaving it today. Again, I had to put today a new razor blade in because I was shaving myself, and the other one, the head of the thing, broke off. Anyway, so I did that rather quickly, and the consequences are visible. Down here, I've got there's only one drainage point, but it isn't a bad one. Notice the contours, the molded sink. I think that's great. And the other side here, another large wardrobe. Right, so here's a coffee capsule machine. That's what Carthago has called their coffee solution. I think they taste awful myself. I'll get a proper cafetiere. Well, that's just my taste. Everybody's taste is different. This one's got an oven. Now, any vehicle, just about, can have an oven in it, because people often write in the comments, where's the oven? The oven's in the shops, and you have to get it installed. This one comes with it installed, and that's part of the options which make up that 90,000 plus price. So if you want an oven, you know what to do. Deep drawer, proper sides, And down here, we've got the bins. Yeah, I really appreciate the way it draws proper sides in them. They're lightweight, so I think personally that's a really important feature. Sink here, 3-burner oven. Right, okay, says there, please only operate the drop-down bed with the assistance of personnel. I bet it doesn't work. I bet they've taken the thing out. I think Carthago would trust me with it, so I'm going to show you how it works. Lights come on, but it's not moving. Why is that? It's because they've done something to stop it coming down. I don't know what. Yeah, I'm another go. See? Anyway, right, I don't know what. Usually they take the fuses out to stop people doing that. Anyway, the bed will drop down to roughly this position, roughly there. So there will be a ladder or something to get in there. It's only a single bed there. Personally, I would do without it. That's the way I feel about it. Here we have Dometic fridge. And let's have a look at the double floor. Look at that. Really deep. Excellent. And as you come in, there's a double floor as well. To my left, there's the water drop function. If you want to empty your tank out, that's there. A water drain, but the double floor is for anybody who's doing this on a long-term basis. What this offers is this huge amount of storage, and to me, it also, because it keeps the heat in so well, it's absolutely essential. That's how I look at it. Maybe I'm exaggerating. Absolutely essential, but it's a great boon. The double floor adds a lot to the price, but I think, anyway, good. You know what I think. Nice large table. Let's take you for a look around the outside. There's a television it comes with, and now show you the double floor from outside. Storage compartments, the garage. And oh, this is externals and more. And here might just get a look in at the double floor from here as well. So you can see perhaps over there is even deeper space, but I think that's great. Anyway, good. So I'm at CMT Trade Fair. I have filmed the entire Malibu range, I think, on this site. It mightn't be from the most modern and up-to-date versions, but you'll find the lot here and here. So I think these vehicles really, I mean, obviously I'm quite enthusiastic. I've tried to point out the bad things as well. Here's a good thing, got a window in the door. And I hope that didn't sound like an advertisement for the company. But if you've seen my videos, you know I do try to tell the truth and not represent the manufacturers, but indeed the buyer. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.